So welcome back, crew. Hey, and welcome back for another video. So hey, today is day 4. We took the front end off where it was damaged at, and we did all the replacement on it. Go back and watch all the videos, guys, to catch up with us. So today we're gonna go ahead and start laying some paint down on all the parts that I've actually had to scuff up and repaint, like the front bumper cover and miscellaneous parts like that. We're gonna go ahead and spray those. Now I'll be making 2 videos. One video is gonna be just how to paint your front bumper cover, since it's plastic, and that'll be on a different video. But I will show you guys a few things, but I'm not gonna go into detail with all of the painting and stuff like that. You guys can watch that on the other video. But other than that, we will be showing some painting and stuff today. That's basically what I want to accomplish today. So we've been taking a break off the old truck here. As you see, I got the truck covered up and stuff because I don't want to give away too much stuff with the 55 truck build. But it actually gives me time to get away from the truck, because as you guys know, I work on that truck pretty much 3 to 4 times a week, guys, and I also work a 4-time job. So today is going to be an interesting day. We're going to get right into it, and hey, hopefully we get a lot of stuff done. It's been raining really hard here last night, and it's very humid, so hopefully that would not affect my progress as far as painting and everything. So I'm gonna have to take my time. I still got a little bit of body work to do. I got that front fender that was actually damaged. I'm gonna try to fix that, and I'll show you guys a little bit of body work on that passenger side fender as well. So hey, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So last night, guys, we actually started working on the hood. The last video you guys saw that I pointed out that we had a lot of road grime and also rock chips that was on this hood. So I went on ahead last night and start prepping this hood. So I got a little bit more sanding to do. As you see, I got these, I don't know if you can see the little spots that I put a little bit of putty and stuff on. So we're going to go ahead and sand those down and get that stuff ready for paint. I tell you what, I got a 4-day today. I don't know if I better make it today. All right. Now we'll go ahead and wet sand this again with 400 grit. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and start sanding it. I actually put some primer on it and let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and sand it down. I put some guide coat on it. Alright guys, so hey, let's go ahead and get started with some paint, laying down some paint stuff. I done scuffed up everything, and we're gonna go ahead and do the front bumper cover as well. And we got the hood all prepped up, did a little bit of body work to it. Major part was this here, that we did body work to this one, this piece here. Turned out really well. So like I said, I just have to blend here on down, and I won't paint all this down here. I just blend this here. All right, because the hood comes here on these pieces, then I blend the rest. And these are just my miscellaneous parts that I'll go ahead and spray while I'm at it. So let's get the lance of paint. Alright crew, so I tell you what man, I got some stuff in my paint. Actually it was in my panel, and I didn't see it until I sprayed one coat on it. So off camera I just went on ahead and I fixed it, because I tell you what, I want to do this one time. So I know it was a little bit more time consuming, but it is what it is. So everything, all the other pieces came out awesome. So now I'm going to try to focus on this hood. Alright crew, so we are done for the painting for today. I think everything turned out very good. Couldn't have been more pleased. Like I said, the hood, I had to redo the hood, and the hood came out excellent. When like I said, I just couldn't live with myself letting it be like it was. It saw a little sand scratches in it, but now you guys see it's slick, man. And I let it sit for a day or two before I start handling again. But all the pieces came out well. I know I probably went over and beyond, but you know, this is stuff that I'm learning, and I actually enjoy doing it, so why not do it the right way, guys? So this is the way it turned out. Everything turned out really good, guys. I did get a little water spots right here. I don't know if you can see it. I got a few water, I guess my gloves, that's why I took off my gloves. Y'all probably saw in the film camera that I took my gloves off because I was sweating. It's so humid, and it dropped on the panel. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna take that off, and I can wet sand it if I want to, but I'm gonna let it be, guys. It's not that noticeable. Hey crew, so we started out early this morning. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and staying for the ride, man. It's been a long day for me today, but I'm about to clean up the garage and this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot. We actually took our time and I think we did a really good job. So the next day, guys, next day or two, once everything dries and cures, we'll be putting it back on the Toyota Yaris, guys. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm really excited. You guys came along with me. I brought all the parts, came in like a day or two. And hey, we've been working on this truck for 5 days. And this is the 5th day. Basically, we are finished and we're done painting and doing all the body work. Now we just got to put it back together. So hey, that's the end of this video. And like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke him if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.